I'm CISCE. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about logarithms. Let's take a look at today's sum. Prove that 9 to the power of log of 4 is equal to 16 to the power of log of 3. Let's prove this. We can let x equal to 9 to the power of log of 4, and let y equal to 16 to the power of log of 3. That means ultimately we have to prove x equal to y. Now let's get to doing that. Firstly, we will work with x equal to 9 to the power of log of 4. Or log of x to the base 10 means whenever we don't write any base, we should consider the base as 10. Then we have log of x to the base 10 is equal to log of 9 to the power of log of 4 to the base 10. Now, we know the formula that if it's like log of a to the power of n to the base b, it is equal to n into log of a to the base b. And over here, it's actually log of 4, which is the n part of this formula. Then we can write this as, or log of x to the base 10 is equal to log of 4 into log of 9 to the base 10. Then we can leave this over here and mark it as 1. Now we may take a look at the board. Now we will work with the second equation. Let's continue with the sum. Over here, previously we got log of x to the base 10 equal to log of 4 into log of 9 to the base 10. Now, log of 4 has no base. I forgot to tell you, but log of 4 has no base, which means it's actually log of 4 to the base 10. That is 1. We have marked that as 1. Now let's work with y equal to 16 to the power of log of 3. Or log of y to the base 10 is equal to log of 16 to the power of log of 3 to the base 10. Over here also we will apply the same formula, that if it's like log of a to the power of n to the base b, it's equal to n into log of a to the base b. Then we get, or log of y to the base 10 equal to log of 3 into log of 16 to the base 10. Now 16 is nothing but log of 4. Means 16 is 4 squared. Then we can write, or log of y to the base 10 equal to log of 3 into log of 4 squared to the base 10. This is actually, again referring to this formula, we get log of 3 into 2 into log of 4 to the base 10. Now, taking the 2 to the front, then gives us 2 into log of 3, that into log of 4 to the base 10. Now, 2 into log of 3, what does this mean? This is actually going to apply the reverse of this formula to get it. That means it's actually log of 3 squared, or log of y to the base 10 is equal to, again, log of 9. That means here, since there isn't any base, so it's 10. Log of 9 to the base 10 into log of 4 to the base 10. Now, if you notice that when we previously got log of x to the base 10, and here we got log of y to the base 10, then it's given the same value actually. Log of 4 to the base 10 into log of 9 to the base 10 is actually the same as log of 9 to the base 10 into log of 4 to the base 10. That from here we can understand, therefore, log of x to the base 10 equal to log of y to the base 10. Now, finally, from this we can get, it implies that x equal to y. We proved x equal to y. Therefore, we took x as 9 to the power of log of 4 equal to y, which we took as 16 to the power of log of 3. Proved. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.